Fuck you. Fuck you. Nga
Gusto kami bersetuju dah.
tayo choice tayo nga.
Text mo.
Hey, anong labay ni
Hello my dear family members, I just like to tell you something which is unacceptable in the society as you have seen in the video. The young girls are exposing themselves in the social media by using unwanted language. And this is what will happen if the parents give full freedom for the children to use the social media carelessly. If we don't stop them at this moment, they will continue to do this type of exposition in the social media. And the other children will follow them. And it will bring shame to the society, especially to our culture. It is the responsibility of the parents to prevent the children from doing all these type of things instead of encouraging them. Kmie kikpa dari ban ailat yaki kun ban kren kum kine kiktin hau social media. The parents should give proper education for the children so that they may not use this kind of language.
Kasi mabhay ilang ngaro hani posting si dewan gini kikna wa nagaliang yung ki dabu gi jing kapat wa yo gi jing map lani pan map gi aliang pi wa da em gi jing makala haga taga jing klam ikti ni thleng pada laj haga video man viral katte ten ko hi ko akutimin chaya ledi nga to ga chani ka chang chai man kam president yung mahila is the hills district dahini por takam man dawan gini kena hago pencia ga haliang taga video misai vi la daw bu ha perdi yung pi kataga jing pencia na liang yung ki wa ga ye ma gi hadu por klam ni kam kitu giktin sai vi le gajing kyrpad yung wasnyao bha u ap bha gajing klam yung ki krang wa yu yi u judge la ni yi u map ye ni khna wa da bakla gi helte ni thli yung ki tanam kom hi u ila do klam chwa na vi na parlo u klam ni pan ma bana pi ki pi ba wa da la ikten bitla yung ni wa chong chi mana chong chi i Tesnya bahama ya iwa da bakalai